Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I just wanted to share a look at our Naples Pier with you in 4K Ultra HD. I just wrapped up the live feed of my Saturday morning beach walk. It's beautiful here, absolute paradise. Nothing really new to report on here about the pier. Just waiting for permits. Everything's tied up in the bureaucratic paperwork. Don't know when they're going to start the demolition. Sad. Seeing the pier like this, so many awesome memories. It's actually kind of become a bird sanctuary. This weather is absolutely gorgeous here. Nothing but beautiful blue sky. Right now it's probably about 65 degrees. Trying to get up to 82. That water temperature, it's 73, 74. The tide on its way in. Hit that share button. Everybody see the pier. This pier means so much to so many. A lot of folks very sad about how long the rebuilding process is taking. All right. That's going to do it for our little walk around the pier. And thanks for watching. Thanks for being a friend. Thanks for allowing me into your lives, onto your screens. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. Have a wonderful day. God bless.